Hey HamShack TV family, I need your help. Could you help me out? Stick around, I'll show you what I need help with. Hey everybody, welcome back to HamShack TV. I'm your host Josh AA4WX. Kind of looking up at me. I don't know why my camera's offset a little bit, but thanks for joining me here on the channel. I need your help, and this is a very, very serious request. We're looking to do the 2026 Hamfest Tour, and you've noticed a few weeks ago I posted a video that I bought a camper. To make that possible, to try to save on some of the expenses of doing this tour. Folks, I don't really go to these Hamfests to buy things. I go to cover it for you guys right here on HamShack TV. As time has gone on, I've learned of problems with this camper. And unfortunately, there's not much I can do about it. I can handle the repairs, but I certainly could use some help, financially speaking. You'll notice that it was a 1998 Starcraft Constellation, and 2026 Hamfest Tour, we're planning on going to Huntsville, Orlando, and Hamvention, not in that order, clearly. February will be HamCation, May will be Hamvention, and then Huntsville will be in August. I won't sugarcoat it. Over 1 million views and thousands of hams tuning in. I want to do this right for you guys. But the camper's just not roadworthy at this point. It's not. I've got a buddy of mine who's graciously helping repair this camper. But a lot of cost for parts, and I want to pay him a little bit too for his time and labor is going into this. So here's what it needs. It's essential safety issues. The wiring needs to be fixed for the trailer lights. Y'all seen we had an issue with the trailer wiring. It needs some weatherproofing issues. The hot water heater is completely shot on it. It's a big old crack in the hot water heater. Some of the water inlets need to be replaced. Things like that. And also the marker lights and the brake lights need to be replaced. So, and the tires, and all 3 tires. The thing has a single axle and then a spare on the back. All 3 of those tires need to be replaced. They've got a little dry rot in them. This is partially my fault for not knowing what I was doing when I bought the thing. And that's unfortunate. But it needs these upgrades to be returned to be safely used, especially hauling that thing all the way to Florida from Tennessee. So here's the deal. When I'm on site at these Hamfests, you get interviews, you get breaking product news, you get front row seat to the ham radio community. You remember the YouTuber forum? I bring that to you. Nobody else brings you the full coverage of that. I do. Things like that. We're doing that for you. That kind of access to this tour delivers completely free to you. But getting there isn't free. I hope y'all understand this. Doing this is not free, and I need help. Ad revenue's slacking. The affiliate links are slacking, so I need your help. I have launched a GoFundMe account to raise $1,000. Each dollar that you donate will go to restoring the camper, so that HamShack TV can hit the road and cover these events that you love safely. Even $5 moves the needle. Now, you all do know GoFundMe does take a small percentage, so keep that in mind. But every dollar that I receive will go towards the restoration of this camper. We're not doing anything fancy. We are bringing it to code and making it highway safety regulated. That's what it is. No crazy upgrades. We're not making this into the Ritz-Carlton on wheels. This is literally making this roadworthy and safe again. So, down in the description, you're going to find a link to the GoFundMe. I ask that if you do watch my channel, please consider donating. Again, this is entirely, nothing is going into my pocket here. This is entirely for the safety upgrades of this camper. You want me to get to these Hamfests safely? I need your help. So we're going to get it ready, and I will give you progress reports, of course. The camper is actually at my buddy's house right now getting torn down with things that need to be removed that are just junk. So let's get this camper ready for Orlando, Dayton, and Huntsville, and who knows what else may fall in line there. With your help, HamShackTV will show up live, raw, and right where the action is. Guys, I can't thank you enough. This year has been a fantastic year. I'm humbled to have to ask you guys for help, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Right now, between getting my truck fixed where it tore up my truck and repair parts and new tires, we're well over $1,000. So I'm not even asking for all that back. I'm just asking for a portion of it to help me out. This has been a damage that I did not want to see. So please donate generously. Links in the description down below. Thank you so much for your support. 73s, everybody. AA4WX, WSCB 693.